Welcome to Warner's Wheeling About. Just me messing around in my wheelchair and my cars. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me, and as usual I hope you enjoy my content. This video today is our 2005 Mini Cooper S convertible. We've just recently had her MOT'd, getting her ready for the summer, and in the MOT one of the advisories was there are a couple of chips in the windscreen which need to be repaired. So I've made an appointment today with National Windscreens in Scunthorpe, so we're going to go up there and get those chips done. And while we're in Scunthorpe, I thought I'd probably take it to a local car wash, you know, get it detailed and cleaned up while we go off for lunch or something. So that's our day out today. Now, normally we carry one wheelchair in this car, my Myra wheelchair, and my Tie-Light wheelchair is in our red Mini Cooper SE, the electric car. And we just leave them like that, you know, because we don't use this yellow Mini Cooper Cabriolet very often. Now we're going to use it more as the summer's coming. Then my wife this morning has transferred the two wheelchairs over from one car to the other. And it's quite amazing to see how she can fit everything in. It's incredible. So anyway, that's our day today. So let's go. Hope you enjoy it. Now it is possible to get the wheelchair into the car through the open door if you've got the rear windows down, but my wife prefers to lower the whole roof. That way she gives her much better access to the car. Obviously not such a good idea if it's raining, but then if it's raining we wouldn't be taking this car anyway. So she's taken out the red one, the Myra wheelchair, and put that into the red car, and the wheels that go with it, and that leaves the back of the yellow Mini completely empty. And with the back seats folded down, it really is like a little pickup truck. You can see you've got the flatbed there, plus you've also got the boot space in the back there. This is the back of the red electric Mini, the Mini Cooper SE. As you can see, it's a hatchback, and that's my Tie-Light wheelchair packed in there, together with the tri-ride electric front wheel and the two all-terrain tyres that go with it. She uses a rug to put between any metal parts to stop them from banging and clattering in the back of the car. This is the tri-ride electric front wheel, and as you can see, she slots that in sideways, puts the wheel into the boot part, and then the handlebars rest on the flatbed there. As you can see, my wife's quite petite, so it's quite easy for her to manoeuvre herself in and out of the car. This is the carbon fibre wheels. They're very, very light, and she slides those into the boot area. And then this is the rigid frame, which is titanium and carbon fibre, so it's very light and easy to carry. And she lays that down on the flatbed behind the two front seats. As you can see, everything fits in nice and tidy, and we've still got plenty of room if we need to carry any shopping bags or overnight bags, small suitcases. And the Myra wheelchair fits into the back of the hatchback, and there's loads of extra room, as you can see. And then finally, just close that roof. Fortunately, the Mini's got an electric roof which works really well, and it's quite quick, and it also has a sunroof in it, which is very nice as well. we turned up at National Windscreens, and they told us that they'd repaired our car yesterday. So we said, no, you didn't. We did have an appointment for yesterday, but it wasn't confirmed. And then when I called them yesterday, they said, oh, it was an open appointment, and you can bring the car anytime. So they said bring it tomorrow, which is today. So we bought it today, and they can't do it at any time. So they've asked us to bring it back at 2:30, but apparently the paperwork's been done, and they did it yesterday, according to the office. So here we are, folks. We thought we'd just pop into Marks and Spencer's. We've got a few free hot drink vouchers, so we're going to use those, get a cup of coffee, bite to eat, and we'll get back to National Windscreens at 2:30. Well, it's quite easy for me to get in and out of this car once the roof is off and the window's down. Much easier. Everybody says a Mini is a small car. It's not. Go. Just need to close the roof again. So we've got about 2 hours to kill. So by the time we've had something to eat and drink in the caf and had a look around the shop, should just about be in time. Well, we're back at National Windscreens. We're 15 minutes early. It's 2:15 in the afternoon, and the place is all closed up. Nobody here, so we'll just sit around for 15 minutes. They told us to come back at 2:30, so maybe we're just early. I hope they come back. We returned to National Windscreens for our 2:30 appointment. We got here early at 2:15. And the place was all locked up, so we waited until 2:30, and nobody came. So I called the telephone number in their confirmation text, which they sent me, and nobody picked it up. It rang and it rang and it rang, and they asked me to hold on, etc, etc. Nobody picked up. So I went to the website, and I went onto their chat line, and I explained to them that, you know, somebody in their office yesterday confirmed my appointment today. That when we got here today, they were a bit confused because they thought they'd done our windscreen yesterday for some reason, which obviously they hadn't done. They asked us to come back at 2:30, which was a 2.5 hour wait. So we've driven 18 miles to get here, and we waited 2.5 hours for our appointment, and then when we finally did come, there's nobody here to see to us. They've locked up and gone home, and the people at the head office on the website said, oh, well, they'll raise a complaint, and the complaints department will be in touch with me. So great service, National Windscreens. Well done.
Spent too many nights trying to make it through the dark. Gone are the days that I try to tell myself apart. Now I just wanna dance, hold my drink up in the air. Nights like this are becoming so rare. Can't stop now, throw my hands up in the air. I got work in the morning, but I just don't care. Singing oh yo yo, yeah oh yo, oh yo yo, gonna dance the pain away. Oh yo yo, yeah oh yo, oh yo yo, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away.
Well, these guys do a fantastic job, inside and out, for £20. That's at Morrison's in Scunthorpe. Highly recommend them, they do a really good job.
That's how we
Don't give it a day. Thank you for
dance, hold my drink up in the air. Nights like this are becoming so rare. Oh yo yo, yeah oh yo, oh yo yo, gonna dance the pain away. Oh yo yo, yeah oh yo, oh yo yo, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna dance, gonna dance the pain away. I just wanna dance, dance. I just wanna.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. It really helps me if you can give me a like and share, and please subscribe and ring that bell icon so you're notified each time I post a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.